I'm checking out the Dymo Letratag 100T, which is the desktop version of their label maker. Now, I have reviewed the handheld version, and what makes this different is its wide footprint, and it's something that you would keep on a desk, I guess, if you're frequently making labels around the office. So what I like about it is it has a QWERTY keyboard that's made of rubber and is quite tactile and easy to see and read. It has a nice large print button as well as a nice large space bar, plus your navigation keys. You can also save your previous labels into this. So I think that's a really useful feature. A nice delete button. And this has already got some AA batteries in it. It takes 4. I put those in earlier, and I'm going to put the label cartridge in now. Now these cartridges come in any number of flavors, and you can get them in like clear or color. You can also get them in matte and or gloss. Now I'm just going to turn this on, which is the smallest button on this particular machine, and it will remember the label that I've previously printed. So I'm just going to print that one again, saves time typing it out, but you'll see its ability to print upper and lower case as well. This large button on the side is the cutter. So when it's finished printing, I'll actually push the cutter. So that's basically the label maker from Dymo, the Letratag 100T. I don't think if you're looking for a label maker that you would use frequently that you would go wrong with this particular item. And hopefully this has helped you make a decision as to whether this is for you, and I'll see you in a future video.